told you when a function can be invertible, right, everyone? So can someone tell me when can a function? I mean, when do we say that a function is invertible? Tell me. Raise your hand. When can we say that a function is invertible? Raise your hand. Only one person is raising the hand. Let me see. Okay, I guess Shubhankit. Yeah, Shubhankit, tell me when can I say that a function is invertible?
So when the function is 1, 1 and onto.
When a function is one, one, and onto. Then only we can define the set other ways also. Okay. If f is a function from a to b, then f inverse will be from b to a. Okay. Next, if a function is periodic, can I say it is invertible? Raise your hand. Tell me. If a function is periodic, can I say that the function is invertible? Okay. Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
No, sir.
No. Why?
So because then it will become anyone.
Then it will become anyone. Absolutely correct. Okay. Okay. So with this note, let us start with inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Pay attention.
So,
Yes, tell me, Onini.
so I had a doubt. It's from ITF only. I've sent it to you.
Okay, okay. First of all, let me start with ITF. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Then I'll discuss your doubt also. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let us start. Okay. Inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So everyone, let us start. There are a few points. I'm going to write it once again. Okay. I've already written it before. I'm going to write it once again. See, a function is invertible. A function is invertible. A function is invertible if it is bijective. A function is invertible if and only if it is bijective. Next, all trigonometric functions are all trigonometric functions are periodic. Okay, and hence they are non-invertible and hence not invertible. Okay, so to make them invertible, to make them invertible, we cut their domain. We cut their domain. Okay, so to make them invertible, we cut their domain. For example, okay, f maps R to R, f of x equal to sin x. Tell me, is this function invertible? What do you think? If f maps R to R, f of x equal to sin x, raise your hand. Is it invertible? Yes, Soham, they tell me.
No, sir, it isn't.
This is not invertible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, so let us cut out its domain. Okay, f maps minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, f maps minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 2r. Now see, I have made it injective. Is it invertible? Tell me, raise your hand. Yes, I tell me.
Yes, sir.
This is invertible. Tell me, anyone else? Oipsha, what do you think? Is this invertible?
Yes, sir.
Adrija, is it invertible?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Shavankit, tell me, is it invertible?
No, sir, it's not.
It's not. Okay. Shubhangi, tell me, is it invertible?
Yes, sir.
Devang, what do you think?
Sir, I think it is invertible.
It is invertible. Okay. Onini, tell me, is it invertible?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
it's not
so
invertible.
so Adrija, can you tell me why it is not invertible?
Sir, it's this function is many one or into.
Many one,
Sorry, one into.
one into. Absolutely correct. Are you getting? Everyone, tell me, those who said it is invertible. Shubhangi, are you getting? Shubhangi, Devang, Ahir,
Yes,
try
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
understand. It is not surjective. It has to be surjective also, right? Because when you are defining the function from r to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, all the elements in this set will not have its image. Okay. So this is again non-invertible. Okay. Next. So let us cut out its range also. F maps minus pi by 2. I mean, cut out its codomain. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to minus 1 to 1. Close, close. Now tell me, is it invertible? Yes, f of x equal to sin x is invertible. Okay. So like this, you define an invertible function. I mean, all the inverse of the inverse trigonometric functions. Invertible function. Okay. So redefining sin x. Redefining sin x. Okay. So let f maps minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. To minus 1 to 1. F of x equal to sin x is 1 1 and onto. Is 1 1 and onto. Okay. And how will the graph look like? The graph will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. The graph will be strictly between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And this is how it is going to look like. F of x equal to sin x. Okay. Now the function is injective. Okay, you won't find a straight line which will cut the graph at two distinct points. Okay, next. Now to write the inverse. Okay, last day I had taught you how to write down the inverse of a function. You have to interchange x and y. Interchange x and y and solve for y. Okay, what do we get? Let x equal to sine y. So from here, y will be equal to sine inverse x. Okay, this is how you are going to define all the inverse of a function. Sine inverse x, or you can say arc sine x. Okay, so how it will be defined? F inverse. Okay, now see, f is defined. F is defined from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to 1 minus 1 comma 1. So f inverse will be defined from minus 1 to 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So f inverse maps minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 This will be equal. This will be mapped to -1 to 1. Okay. F inverse x will be equal to y is equal to sine inverse x. This is how you are going to define sine inverse x. Okay. Note.
So why will f inverse x be mapped from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to minus 1 by 1?
Wait a minute. Oh no. From -1 to 1. Sorry. I wrote the opposite. From -1 to 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I wrote the opposite. Okay. Because if f is mapped from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to -1 to 1, f inverse will be mapped from -1 to 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Similarly, you people know
Sir, what is arc sin x?
this is another way of writing sine inverse x, arc sin x.
Okay,
Arc,
sir.
and why do we write arc sin x? Because this sine inverse x represent an angle. Are you getting? And an angle is represented by an arc. An arc subtends an angle at the origin. Are you getting?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
That is why we write it as arc sin x. Okay, because
Okay,
it
sir.
is actually an angle. Okay. Next, similarly, if f of x equal to ln x, then what is f inverse x? Tell me. Then f inverse x will be equal to, somebody tell me. If f of x equal to ln x, then what is f inverse x? What happened? You cannot recall e to the power x, right? You cannot recall the inverse of ln x. Is my voice clear to everyone, or is it cracking?
Yes, it's clear.
Cracking sometimes. Not
It's
now.
cracking
Not now, but it's cracking sometimes.
It
sometimes.
was cracking for mine too.
Now is it okay?
So right now it's fine.
Right now it's
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay. So f of x equal to ln x. Okay. You can understand that ln x and e to the power x are mirror images of each other. So similarly, all the trigonometric functions and its inverse will be mirror images over the line y equal to x. Remember. Okay,
Yes, sir.
remember the concept of mirror image. Okay, next. A function and its inverse are mirror images of each other over the line y equal to x. A function and its inverse are mirror images of each other over the line y equal to x. Okay. If f maps minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to -1 to 1. Wait a minute. If f maps -1 to 1, no. F maps minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to -1 to 1. F of x equal to sine x. Okay. Then you see, this is how the mapping will look like. Okay. From set A to set B. This is how the mapping will look like. Okay. F is defined from set A to set B. Okay. So this is pi by 6. This is minus pi by 3. This is pi by 4. Okay. So see everyone, sine pi by 6 is equal to half. Sine of minus pi by 3 will be equal to minus root 3 by 2. Sine of pi by 4 will be equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. So F inverse will be defined from set P to set A. F inverse will be defined from set B to set A. And so we can say sine inverse 1 by root 2. What is sine inverse 1 by root 2? Pi by 4. What is sine inverse minus root 3 by 2? Okay. Minus pi by 3. Okay. And so on and so forth. Next. Sine inverse x. Cos inverse x. Tan inverse x. Denotes angles of real numbers. Okay. They just denote the angles of real numbers. Okay. Whose sine is x, cosine is x, and tangent is x respectively. Okay. So they represent angles of real numbers. Okay. Next. Principal value, range, and domain of ITF. Principal value. Remember this principal value, range, and domain. Range and domain of ITF. Okay. So over here, I'm going to write down the ITF. Over here, domain. And over here, range. Okay. ITF, domain, and range. So first of all, sine inverse x. Does anyone... Okay. Sine inverse x, just now we have written it. The domain will be minus 1 to 1. And range will be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, next. For cos inverse x, domain will be same, minus 1 to 1. Recall, the range of cos x will be minus 1 to 1. So the domain of cos inverse x will be minus 1 to 1. And anyone remembers the range? Range of cos inverse x?
Close to 0, comma pi.
Close to 0, comma pi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Domain is all real. Range will be open minus pi
Minus
by
pi
2,
by 2. Pi. Yes, sir.
pi by 2. Correct. Next, number 4. Cosec inverse x. Minus infinity, comma minus 1. Closed. Union 1, comma infinity. So domain will be, range will be close, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, except elemental 0.
0.
Next, number 5. Sec inverse x. Same thing. And see, range will be same as cos inverse x, except one element should be excluded, where cos x equal to 0. Tell me.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Oipsha, are you getting? Oipsha, Abhigyan? Those who are doing it
Yes,
for the
sir.
first time? Okay. Ritam, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 6. Cot inverse x. All real. And the range will be from 0 to pi, open. Remember. Next. Graphs of all 6 ITF. I'll show you how we can draw the graph of all the ITF. Okay. Number 1. Y equal to sine inverse x. So see, just like I told you that we have to take the mirror image. of the function to draw the graph of its inverse. Okay, so similarly, over here, first of all, I'm going to draw the graph of sin x, and then I'm going to take its mirror image. Okay, everyone? So let us say y equal to x is the mirror. Okay? Y equal to x is the mirror. Okay. This is y equal to sin x. This purple line, y is equal to sin x. I hope you people can understand. So what will be sin inverse x? The mirror image of this branch will be like this, and the mirror image of this branch will be like this. So it will look somewhat like this. This green one is the graph of sin inverse x. Okay. So what is the coordinates of this point? Can anyone tell me? Coordinates of this point. Raise your hand. What's the coordinates of this point? Raise your hand. Tell me. Yes. Shavankit, tell me.
Sir, 1 comma pi by 2.
1 comma pi by 2. Absolutely correct. At x equal to 1, y equal to pi by 2. Next. There are some conclusions we can draw. Okay, everyone. Conclusions that we can draw. Number 1. Is it periodic or aperiodic? Tell me. Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is aperiodic? Right, everyone, tell me. Next. Is it bounded? Can I say that sin inverse x is bounded? Can I draw two straight lines between which I can cover the whole graph? Tell me. Is it bounded?
Yes, sir.
You can see that you draw two straight lines, two parallel straight lines. It will be bounded. Okay.
So,
So sin inverse x is bounded. Next. Is it even or odd function? By looking at the graph, what do you think? Is it even, odd, or none? What do you think? Tell me, everyone. It's an odd function, right? Next. Over here, you see this function is increasing or decreasing. What do you think?
Increasing.
Increasing? Sin inverse x is increasing? It's an increasing function. Okay. Next, number 5. Also, you can understand it from its derivative. What is dy dx of sin inverse x? If y equal to sin inverse x, anyone remembers its derivative? This implies dy by dx will be equal to?
So is
1
it
by
divided
2 over
by
1 minus x square.
Correct. 1 upon root over 1 minus x square. And this is always greater than 0. Strictly greater than 0. Right, everyone? 1 upon root over 1 minus x square is strictly greater than 0. Okay. This implies uh, since dy by dx is greater than 0, since dy by dx is greater than 0, the angle made by, or you can say angle formed by any tangent, angle formed by any tangent to this graph to y equal to sin inverse x will always make a positive angle, will always, not positive, will always make an acute angle. with x-axis. Right, everyone, tell me. You draw the graph. I mean, you draw the tangent. You see, this tangent. What is the angle? Angle is acute or obtuse? The angle is acute. You draw any other tangent. Draw any other tangent to this function. I mean, to the graph. The angle is always acute. See, the angle is always acute, except for the endpoints. At endpoints, you'll get a vertical tangent. Can you people understand? At endpoints, you're going to get vertical tangent like this. That is why you see dy by dx at x equal to 1. What is the value? It's undefined. And when tan of something is undefined, that something is equal to 90 degree. Tell me, Abhipsha, are you getting? Abhipsha, Ritam, those who are doing it for the first time?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next. So write it down as x equal to plus minus 1. As x is equal to plus minus 1, dy by dx will tend to infinity. Okay. Thus, we'll get a vertical tangent. We get a vertical tangent at x equal to vertical tangent of y equal to sine inverse x. Okay. And since sine inverse x is an increasing function, if sine inverse x is greater than sine inverse y, if I say sine inverse x is greater than sine inverse y, this will imply x will be greater than y. Remember, the inequality sign will remain the same since sine inverse x is an increasing function. I hope this is clear to everyone. Tell me, Abhigyan, Absha.
Sir, what did you say? I couldn't understand. Sine inverse x is an increasing function, so
Sine inverse x is an increasing function. So if sine inverse x is greater than sine inverse y, this will imply x will be greater than y. Right,
okay,
tell
sir.
me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Devang, Shanaya, Soham, Shamli, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next, y equal to cos inverse x. Our next one is y equal to cos inverse x. Let us see how we can draw the graph. So again, see, you draw the graph of cos x from 0 to pi. This is how the graph is going to look like. This is the graph of cos x in 0 to pi. Okay. And this is aligned y equal to x. Okay. This is the line y equal to x. Okay. Next. So let us take the mirror image. The image of this branch, pay attention. The image of this branch will look somewhat like this over here. Like this. And the image of this portion will be somewhat like this. Okay, are you people getting? Yes or no? Tell me, Rishabh, can you understand? Soham,
Yes, sir.
are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till now, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, this is the graph of this green one. Green one is the graph of cos inverse x. Okay. So what is the coordinates of this point? Raise your hand and tell me. What is the coordinates of this point? Raise your hand. I see the same kind of hands. Anyone else tell me? Yeah, Shamili, tell me. What is the coordinates of this point?
Sir, it is minus 1 comma 5.
Minus 1 comma pi is correct. Okay. Next. There are some conclusions we can draw. Number 1. Cos inverse x is of course aperiodic. Okay, it is not non-repetitive. Next, number 2. Is it odd or even? What do you think? By looking at the graph, raise your hand. Tell me. Is it odd or even? By looking at the graph, raise your hand and tell me. Yes, for this one, Rishabh, tell me.
Sir, neither or not even.
Neither odd nor even. Absolutely correct. Cos inverse x is neither odd nor even. Is neither odd nor even. Okay, next. Number 3.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, cos of x equals cos of minus x, right?
Cos of x is equal to cos of minus. Ah, yes, yes, yes.
So if we have a function cos inverse cos of x and cos inverse cos of minus x, these are the same. So is the derivative plus 1 or minus 1?
Cos inverse cos of x and
Cos inverse cos of minus x.
cos inverse cos of minus x. The derivative will be plus 1 or minus 1.
Yes, sir.
The derivative will be plus 1. Okay. But it depends upon which interval you are taking. Okay. Do you remember the graph of cos inverse cos x?
Not at the moment, sir.
It used to look somewhat like this. Mountains.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So in a particular interval, it will be plus 1.
So it will vary, right?
Yes, in a particular interval, it will be minus 1. It depends upon the interval you are taking.
Yes, okay, sir. Yes, this was the doubt.
Yes. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Number 3. Cos inverse x is always decreasing. You people can understand? Is always decreasing. It's a decreasing function. Next, number 4. Vertical tangent at plus minus 1. Vertical tangent at plus minus 1. Next. Number 5. Cos inverse x is bounded. Next. Number 6. Maximum value will be pi. And minimum value is 0. And minimum value of the function is 0. Next. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx will be equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Remember, for sine inverse x, it was positive. But for cos inverse x, it will be negative. Why? Because cos inverse x is a decreasing function. Number 8. Since cos inverse x is decreasing, okay, try to understand everyone. If cos inverse x is greater than cos inverse y, then this implies x is less than y, since cos inverse x is a decreasing function. Okay, next. Our next graph is tan inverse x. Okay, graph, domain, and range is very important for all the trigonometric functions. Okay, everyone. Everything depends on graph of ITF. Okay. I mean, the whole chapter is dependent on the graph of basic ITF. Okay. Next. So I'm going to draw the graph of tan x first. Okay, graph of tan x will look somewhat like this. It is bounded between x equal to pi by 2 and x equal to minus pi by 2. I'm just taking one branch like this. Just going to take one branch. Okay, this is the graph of tan x. Okay, now we are going to take the mirror image. Okay, so just like everyone, just like y equal to tan x is bounded between x equal to pi by 2 and x equal to minus pi by 2, these are the vertical asymptotes for tan x. Similarly, tan inverse x will be bounded between y equal to pi by 2 and y equal to minus pi by 2. Tell me, Ritam, are you getting? Ritam, Oipsha, Abhigyan,
Yes, sir.
are people getting? Adrisha, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ahir, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how it is going to look like. Shania, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how the graph of tan inverse x will look like. Okay. Acha, tell me everyone, is the function increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing function. So everyone note, the tangents which meet the graph at infinity are known as tangents which
Asymptotes.
meet asymptotes. The graph at infinity are known as asymptotes. Are known as asymptotes. Okay. So over here, can I say that y equal to pi by 2, I mean y equal to plus minus pi by 2 are asymptotes to tan inverse x. Okay. Next, there are some conclusions we can draw. Again, everyone, tan inverse x is aperiodic. Aperiodic. Next, number 2. Of course, it is bounded. Tan inverse x is bounded. Next, number 3. Is it odd or even? By looking at the graph, tell me. By looking at green lines, odd. Tan inverse x is an odd function. Next. Yes. Number 4. Is it increasing or decreasing? It's an increasing function. Tan inverse x is an increasing function. Tan inverse x is an increasing function. Next, number 5. Over here, you won't get any vertical tangent. No vertical tangent. Next, number 6. there exists no maxima or minima. No maxima and minima. As range is open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So there exists no maxima or minima. Okay. Next, everyone see what is dy by dx? Number 7. What is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, which is greater than 0. Okay. So see everyone, if tan inverse x is greater than tan inverse y, this implies x is greater than y, as it is an increasing function. Next, our next graph is cot inverse x. Cot inverse x. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to take one branch of cot x. One branch of cot x from x equal to 0 to pi will look somewhat like this. Okay. From 0 to pi, one branch of cot x will look somewhat like this. Okay, I have to draw its mirror image. Okay, this is the graph of cot x. Next, just like cot x is bounded between x equal to 0 and x equal to pi, similarly, cot inverse x will be bounded between y equal to 0 and y equal to pi. Okay, and how will the graph look like? The graph will look somewhat like this. Okay, this is the graph of cot x. Tell me. Ifsha, is it clear? Are you able to understand everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is the graph of cot inverse x, the green one. Okay. Next, cot inverse x. There are some conclusions we can draw. Number 1, cot inverse x is aperiodic. Cot inverse x is aperiodic. Next, number 2, cot inverse x is of course bounded. Next, number 3, is it odd or even? Tell me, cot inverse x. Yes, Adrisha, tell me.
It's odds.
It's odd. Rhythm, tell me.
So it's neither or not even.
It's neither odd nor even. Right, Adrisha, are you getting? For an odd function, the graph in the first quadrant should be same as the graph in the third quadrant. Right, Adija? Can you
Yes, sir.
recall?
Yes.
Origin.
Yes, mirror image. I mean, Origin will act as a point mirror. Next. So cot inverse x is neither odd nor even. By looking at the graph only, we can understand. Number 4.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
could you explain the reason for that once?
Which one?
Number 3.
Number 3. You see, for an odd function, whatever graph you have drawn in the first quadrant, same graph you have to draw it in the third quadrant, right? Tell me so. And
Yes.
whatever graph you draw in the second quadrant, same graph you draw it in the fourth quadrant. Is it
Got
clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Cot inverse x is always decreasing. It's a decreasing function. You people can understand? Next. And what over here, again, you are not going to get any vertical tangent. No vertical tangent. Next, number 6. No maxima or minima. No maxima or minima as range is open interval. Open 0 to pi. Next, number 7. Since it is a decreasing function, dy by dx will be equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square, which is less than 0. It is always a decreasing function. So if cot inverse x is greater than cot inverse y, it implies that x will be less than y. Remember. Okay. Next, note number 1. You see tan inverse x. I mean, this tan inverse x and cot inverse x. Tan inverse x and cot inverse x. Okay. Both the functions are monotonic. But see, is the range R. Generally, when a function is monotonic, the range is always real numbers. But see, tan inverse x and cot inverse x are monotonic, but still their range is not R. Right? Are you getting Oipsha? Tan inverse x and
Oh,
cot
sir.
inverse x. Didn't understand.
Sir, what did you say? Didn't understand.
What I'm saying is, see, both tan inverse x and cot inverse x are defined on the whole real number line. Right? Tan
Sir.
inverse x and cot inverse x are defined on the whole real number line. And in fact, it is monotonic also. You know the meaning of monotonic?
No, sir.
Monotonic means completely increasing or completely decreasing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So see, tan inverse x is monotonic.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Still, even though the function is monotonic and defined on the whole real number line, still the range is not R. Are you getting? Generally,
Yes.
whenever a function is monotonic, okay, the range is always R. Okay, for example, any cubic. Okay,
Okay, sir.
are continuous and monotonic. Tan inverse x and cot inverse x are continuous and monotonic. tan inverse x and cot inverse x are continuous and monotonic. This does not implies it is that the range is R. That the range is R. Next, number 2. If f of x is continuous and has a range if f of x is continuous and monotonic. No. And has a range R. And has a range R. It does not implies it is monotonic. It does not implies it is monotonic. Monotonic. Okay. For example, y equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So see, it is a cubic function. Now tell me, what is the factorization over here? It's a very famous cubic. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, when you factorize it, you are going to get x minus 1 into x minus 2
X minus
into x minus 3. Okay, and how will the graph look like? The graph will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is how the graph is going to look like. Okay. Okay, this is the graph of y equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So tell me, this function has a range R, but does it implies it is monotonic? Is the function completely increasing and completely decreasing in the real number set? Tell me, everyone.
No, sir.
No? Okay, you'll always find a straight line which will cut it at two decimal points. Okay, next. Acha, you people try out one problem. Okay, question number 1. Find the domain. Find the domain and range of sine inverse fractional part of x. Solve. Once you have done it, send your answers. Mention the domain and range, everyone. Okay, Ritam, range is not correct. Domain is correct. Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct.
Self-centered.
Checking. One by one. Shubhankit, your answer is correct. Onini, your answer is. Wait a minute. Onini, check your answer again. I mean, check the domain. क्या विज्ञान, check the range. Domain is correct. Okay, Abhiksha, your answer is correct. Shubhangi, your answer is correct. Ahir, your answer is correct. Ritam, your answer is correct now. Okay, Adrija, check your answer again. Anvesha, your answer is correct. Shamli, your answer is correct. Soham De, there is a slight mistake. Okay, so everyone pay attention. We need to find out the range of sine inverse fractional part of x.
Sir, I'm sending. Can you wait?
Send quickly. Yes, Soham, your answer is correct. Is there any value of x which we cannot substitute over here? Tell me, everyone. Sine inverse fractional part of x. Is there any value of x which we cannot substitute? Yeah, we can check your answer again. Tell me. Can anyone tell me? Is there any value of x which we cannot substitute? No.
No,
So the
sir.
domain is all real. Okay. Next. Let us talk about the range. So what is the range of fractional part of x? This will be close 0 to 1 open.
Yes, sir.
Let us substitute. Therefore, range will be sine inverse closed open 0 to 1. Sine inverse 0 will be equal to 0. And sine inverse 1 will be equal to pi by 2. Okay, next. Graph of sec inverse x. Okay, graph of sec inverse x. Okay, we just need to draw the graph between pi by 2 and between minus 1, minus infinity comma minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Okay, pay attention. Okay, I want to draw the graph of sec inverse x. This is x equal to 1 and this is the x equal to minus 1. Okay, remember, Acha, wait. For sec inverse x, this is required. Okay. This is the graph of sec inverse x. Next. Acha, wait. This is x equal to 1. And this is x equal to -1. Okay. Acha, tell me, what is sec inverse 1? Tell me, everyone. What is the value of sec inverse 1?
Pi by 4.
Sec inverse 1 is 0, right? Adrisha, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will start from here. And at pi by 2 minus, it will tend to infinity.
Yes, sir.
Like this, it will look like. Are you people getting? Sec inverse 1 is equal to 0. Next. Can someone tell me what is sec inverse -1? Tell me. What is sec inverse -1?
Sir, pi.
It's pi, right? Like
Yes, sir.
this. So how will it look like? Somewhat like this. So this is how the graph of sec inverse x looks like. Tell me. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is pi. Next. And minimum is 0. And minimum value is equal to 0. Next. Number 2. If y equal to sec inverse x, if y equal to sec inverse x, then dy by dx, will be equal to 1 upon mod x into root over x square minus 1. Okay. Next. Is sec inverse bounded? What do you think? Can we draw two horizontal straight lines between which we can sandwich the graph? Tell me. Is sec inverse x bounded? Yes, it is
So,
bounded.
what have you written in
Yes,
dy
sir.
by dx?
Oh, wait. X square minus 1. Okay. Next. Sec inverse x is bounded. It's a bounded function. Next, number 4. Is it odd or even? What do you think? Is this function odd or even? Tell me. Raise your hand. Yes, only Rishabh is raising the hand. Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
Sir, neither odd nor even.
Neither odd nor even. Sec inverse x is neither odd nor even. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Not even. Next, number 5. It is increasing in both the branches. Okay. Next, similarly, let us draw the graph of cosec inverse x. Let us draw the graph of cosec inverse x. Okay. Over here, the asymptotes will be. Over here, the asymptote will be Okay. Y equal to pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Let's see. Okay, this is y equal to pi by 2. Wait. Okay, this is y equal to pi by 2 and this is y equal to minus pi by 2. Okay. Next. This is 1 and this is minus 1. Okay. Next. So this is 1, this is minus 1. And what is cosec inverse 1? Tell me, everyone. Anyone? What is cosec inverse 1?
So pi by 2.
Pi by 2? Okay. And since x-axis is the asymptote, this is how the graph is going to look like. Since x-axis is the asymptote, okay, it will meet at infinity only. Next. Similarly, what is sec inverse minus 1? Sec inverse minus 1 will be equal to minus pi by 2. And so the graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. So tell me, till now, anyone having any doubt? Oipsha, Abhigyan, Adrija,
No, sir.
Onvini, is it clear?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Ritam, have you understood?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubhangi, Shanaya, have you people understood? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then let us do one problem. Question number 2. You people try this out. Find the value of sine of tan inverse cos of cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. Quickly send your answers. Quickly send your answers, everyone. Yes, Ahir right answer, Adrija right answer. Soham, check your answer again. Okay, Ritam, I think this can be further simplified. See to it. Shubhangi right answer. Yes, Soham right answer. Onini, your answer is correct. Okay, let us solve everyone. We need to find out sine of tan inverse cos of cot inverse minus 1 by root 3. Okay, what is cot inverse minus 1 by root 3? Tell me everyone. What is cot inverse minus 1 by root 3? 2 pi by 3. So this will become sine of, tan inverse cos of 2 pi by 3. Okay. So what is cos 2 pi by 3? Tell me. Minus 1 by 2. So this will be sine of tan inverse 1 by 2. Cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we have to remove sine inverse. Okay, sine of tan inverse is equal to minus half. So let us draw a triangle. Or what we can do is, see, tan inverse is an odd function. We can write it as sine of minus of tan inverse half. Now see, sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So minus sine of tan inverse half. Next. So this can be written as minus sine of sine inverse 1 upon root 5. Okay. This implies, so the final answer is minus 1 by root 5. Okay. Next. Okay, I have another question, everyone. Tell me, question number 3. This is true or false? Raise your hand. So raise your hand, okay? Y equal to signum of cot inverse x and y equal to sine square x plus cos square x. Okay. If y equal to signum of cot inverse x and y equal to sine square x plus cos square x are identical, is actually identical. I mean, are identical functions. You have to tell me true or false. Raise your hand. Only one person is raising the hand.
Sir, is it cos x or cos square x?
Cos square x, cos square x. Sorry. Okay, for this one, only tell me.
So they're identical.
They are identical. Domain is same. Range is also same. Only elemental one. So they are identical functions. True. Okay, next. Okay, rest you people practice from the assignments which I have given you. So one more. Okay. Question number 4. If f maps r to 0 comma pi by 2, f of x equal to tan inverse x square plus 2x plus alpha is onto find alpha, solve. Question number 4. Okay, so everyone pay attention. If tan inverse x square plus 2x plus alpha is onto, what does it means? Tell me. If a function is onto, what can we say about that function? Okay, Ahir, check your answer again. Adrija, right answer. I can say that tan inverse x square plus 2x plus alpha. Yes, Oipsha, right answer. Shubhangi, right answer. Tan inverse x square plus 2x plus alpha should belong to close 0 to pi by 2, open. This implies x square plus 2x plus alpha must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now see, if this expression is greater than or equal to 0, how will the parabola look like? This is how the parabola is going to look like.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this kind of parabola, what should be the discriminant? Discriminant should be
Then 0.
equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. If you put discriminant equal to 0, this implies 4 minus 4 alpha equal to 0. So alpha equal to 1. Tell me. Right. Soham, is it clear? Abhipsha, is it clear? Acha, Abhipsha, you have given the correct answer. Okay. Next, properties of inverse. Properties of inverse. Okay. Property number 1. Number 1. Sine of sine inverse x. Sine of sine inverse x will be equal to x for all x belongs to -1 to 1. Tell me. Next. So how will the graph look like? The graph will be just a straight line from -1 to 1, passing through the origin, like this. Okay. This is what sine of sine inverse x is. Next. Okay, let us see the proof. So if f of x equal to sine of sine inverse x, this implies sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse x. And since sine inverse x is an injective function, this implies y will be equal to x. Since sine inverse x is injective. Next. Now what is the domain? Domain of the function will be -1 to 1. Okay. Next. Next one is cos of cos inverse x. Cos of cos inverse x. Okay. This will be equal to x. for all x belongs to -1 to minus infinity to minus. Wait a minute. For all x belongs to -1 to 1. Next. Third one. Again, how will the graph look like? Okay, this is how it is going to look like. Okay. Next. So similarly, what is tan of tan inverse x? Tan of tan inverse x. For all x belongs to real. Okay. So how will the graph look like? Can I say that tan of tan inverse x and the straight line y equal to x, they both are identical? Can I say this, everyone? Tell me. Okay, next. Note from the above graphs, we can see that sine of sine inverse x, sine of sine inverse x, this will be equal to x. Okay, and cos of cos inverse x are identical. Domain is same, range is same. Next, number 2. Sine of sine inverse x. Okay, next. Sine of sine inverse x. Wait a minute. Yes. So similarly, tan of tan inverse x and cot of cot inverse x. These are also identical. Next, number 3. If f of x equal to wait a minute. Number 3. Okay, wait. Next, similarly, cot of cot inverse x. This will be equal to x for all x belongs to real. So same graph, everyone. Same graph as tan of tan inverse x. Wait. Okay, this is how the graph will look like. Next, number 4. Cot of cot inverse x. Wait, I have written cot of cot. So cosec of cosec inverse x. Cosec of cosec inverse x. Okay. So how will the graph look like? Okay. Next.
So could you scroll up a little bit?
Yes, Shamini. Tell me. You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, cos of cos inverse x will look somewhat like this. Okay. Okay. Next, number 6. sec of sec inverse x will be same as pi cosec of cosec inverse x. Okay. So see everyone, we have discussed property number 1, sine of sine inverse x, cos of cos inverse x, tan of tan inverse x. Okay. Sine of sine inverse x. Okay. All these inverses we have discussed. Okay. Now let us interchange. Okay. Now, just now we have discussed sine of sine inverse x. Let us discuss sine inverse sine of x. Okay. Let's see. This property is very much important. Property number 2. Okay. Very, very, very important. Okay. To understand ITF. Next. So everyone, tan inverse tan of x. Let us call, let f of x equal to tan inverse tan of x. Okay. So you people tell me, is the function periodic? Tan inverse tan of x. What do you think? Is the function periodic? Raise your hand. Tell me. Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
Sir, it is periodic.
It is periodic. Okay. Right, everyone, tell me. What is f of 2 pi plus x? This will be tan inverse tan x only. 2 pi plus x. Next. So let us see whether pi can be the time period or not. So tan inverse tan of pi plus x. Okay, this is also tan inverse x. Tan inverse tan of x. Next. Uh, let us check with pi by 2. F of x plus pi by 2. Let's see whether it happens or not. So we'll get tan inverse tan of pi by 2 plus x will become minus cot x. Okay. So this does not works. Okay, hence t should be equal to pi. Okay. Next.
Sir, could you scroll above a bit?
Yes. Done. So
Yes.
okay. Next. Time period is equal to pi. That means whatever graph you draw in pi length, okay, same graph you draw it on the next pi length. Okay, and keeps on going as the function is periodic. Okay, let us see how will the functional rule look like. Achha, can someone tell me what is the domain of the function? What is the domain of this function? Tan inverse tan of x. What is the domain? Raise your hand. Tell me. There shouldn't be any confusion. Okay, only one person is raising the hand. What about others? Tell me the domain tan inverse tan of x. When will it be defined? Okay, Rishabh, tell me.
Sir, should it be all real?
All real.
No.
Are you sure? It's tan inverse tan of x. Tell me. Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Sir, real minus odd multiples of pi by 2.
Absolutely correct. Okay, because tan x should be defined, right? So it will be all real except odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay, now I'm going to plot the function. Okay, but let us understand what is the functional rule. So everyone, if y equal to tan inverse tan of x, if y equal to tan inverse tan of x, then tan y is equal to tan x. Okay, tan y equal to tan x. So what is the value of y? Tell me. Anyone remembers the general solution? If tan y equal to tan x, what is the value of y? Tell me. Raise your hand. What happened? Do people have forgotten? General solution. Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Sir, n pi plus x.
N pi plus x, absolutely correct. Okay, everyone revised trigonometric equations also. You people are forgetting. So everyone, y equal to n pi plus x for all n belongs to integers. Now let us draw the graph. Okay, I'm going to draw the graph in the next page. N pi plus x. So if n equal to 0, what is the value of x? I mean, what is the value of y? Y will be equal to x. Right, tell me everyone, if n equal to 0. Okay, let us draw the graph. Okay, this is 0. This is pi by 2. And this is minus pi by 2. Okay, and since it is y equal to x, okay, let us draw it from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, this is how the graph is going to look like. Okay, this is one of the branch. Wait a minute. This is one of the branch. Okay. Same thing you keep on copying and pasting. Now see, this is the graph in the length of pi. Okay. So now you copy and paste. Keep copying and pasting. Next. Wait a minute. Okay, I've drawn a bigger graph. Let's draw a smaller one. Okay. Okay. Are you people able to understand how I'm drawing the graph? Okay. I know that the function is repetitive. I just find out after how much time it repeats itself. Okay. So one by one, start telling me the branches. Equation of the branches. The equation of this branch is y equal to x. Right, tell me everyone. Next. Can someone tell me what is the equation of the next branch? Raise your hand. What is the equation of this branch? Yes, Soham, tell me.
Pi plus x.
5 plus x. Are you sure? Can someone else try? What is the equation of the next branch? Remember, this is 0. This is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. You just need a point and a slope. Yes, Rhythm, tell me.
Sir, y is equal to x minus pi.
X minus pi is correct. Tell me, Soham, are you getting? Y is equal to
Yes.
X minus pi.
Sir, you asked for that branch. I solved for the right hand side.
Oh, wait. Sorry. Y equal to X minus pi.
Oh.
Correct. Okay. Next. What is the equation of the next branch? Tell me. Everyone, what is the equation of this branch? Raise your hand. Yes, Adrija, go on.
Sir, x minus 2 pi.
X minus 2 pi. Okay. Tell me. What is the equation of this branch? Raise your hand. Only 2 people are raising the hand. What about the others? Abhigyan, Aisha. Aisha, are you getting how I am writing the equation of the branches?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others also raise your hand.
Sir, sir, could you tell once more? I couldn't understand. Sorry.
Okay. So, Adrija, Aisha, we know that the slope of all the branches will be 1. Slope will be 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, my task is to find out. My task is to find out the range of each and every branch. Okay. Now, range of the function is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Right, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, over here, we know the slope. We just need to find out through which point it is passing. Right, tell me, Aisha. So, over here, you see this branch. From where is it passing? Pi comma 0, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the equation of the straight line? Y minus 0 is equal to 1 into x minus pi. Tell me, Aisha, are you getting how I got y
Yes.
equal to x minus pi?
Yes, sir.
So, Aisha, since you have got it, can you tell me the equation of this branch by yourself? Tell me.
Y plus 0 is equals to x plus pi.
Y plus 0.
Y is minus 0 is equals to x plus pi.
X plus pi, absolutely correct. Because this point is minus pi.
Yes, sir.
Next. So, can someone tell me the last one? What is the equation of this branch? Raise your hand. If you are unable to understand, you ask me. I'll explain. First of all, tell me what is the equation of the last branch? Only 2 people are raising their hand. Tell me. What is the equation of the last branch? Okay. Okay, so Soham, tell me.
So y equal to x plus 2 pi.
Y equal to x plus 2 pi. If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Wait, what have I written? Okay, next. So can someone, I'm going to write down some of the values. Question number 6 or 5, whatever. Okay, find the value of tan inverse tan 25 pi by 4 and there was tan inverse tan inverse tan of Okay. Part 2. Part 3. Tan inverse tan 3. Tell me. So first one, anyone raise your hand and tell me what is tan inverse tan 25 pi by 4? Anyone raise your hand? Only one or two people. Same one or two people are raising the hand. What about others? Yes. Shamili, tell me.
Sir, it is like pi by 4.
Pi by 4? What are you saying? It's tan inverse tan 3.
Sorry. Not pi by 4. I mean, like, tan tan of 25 by 4 is like 6 pi plus pi by 4, which is tan pi by 4. So tan inverse tan pi.
No, you are making some mistake. You just had to identify the branches. Okay, so everyone pay attention. Tan inverse tan 3. Where will it lie? What does 3 means? 3 means 3 radians. Right, everyone? 3 means 3 radians. So where will it lie? Over here on the left hand side of pi or on the right hand side of pi? Tell me, everyone. Tan inverse tan of 3. Where should it lie? On the left hand side of pi or on the right hand side of pi? Tell me, everyone.
On the left hand side.
On the left hand side. That means it will lie on this branch. So what is the value?
3
3
minus
minus pi. Okay. Someone tell me what is 25 pi by 4? Tan inverse tan of 25 pi by 4. Raise your hand. Yes, he tell me.
pi by 4.
Pi by 4. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me, everyone.
Sir, I thought that you were asking me to tell the first one, so that's why I told pi by 4.
Oh, actually, I was thinking about the third one.
Sir, actually, I'm facing a lot of internet issues like lately, so that's why.
Okay, okay. Don't worry, I'm recording the class. I'll send it. Tell me, tan inverse tan of 19 pi by 4. Second part is left. Anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Tan inverse tan of 19 pi by 4. Raise your hand. Only one person is raising the hand. What about others? Shania, Devang. Raise your hand. Shamali. Okay, Shamali has raised the hand already. Okay, okay. Ahir, tell me.
So 3 pi by 8.
3 pi by 8? What are you saying? It is tan inverse tan of 19 pi by 4.
Oh, sir, I thought it was 8.
No, no. 19 pi by 4. So tell me. Shamali, tell me.
Sir, minus pi by 4.
Minus pi by 4. Tell me. Because you see, everyone. Tan inverse tan of 19 pi by 4. Can I write it as tan inverse tan of 5 pi minus pi by. Wait a minute. 5 pi is 15 pi. 5 pi. Sorry. Yeah, 5 pi. So it is 6 plus 1 by 4 whole pi. Okay.
So it would have
How
5 pi minus
it was
pi
5
by
pi
4.
minus pi by 4.
Wait. It's 19 pi by 4, right? Wait. So it is 5 pi minus pi by 4. Where will it lie? So everyone, this is pi.
X minus 5 pi.
Yes, so it will be x minus 5 pi. That will give us minus pi by 4. Tell me. Abhiksha, have you understood? How are we supposed to
Yes,
solve
sir.
this kind of problems?
Yes, sir.
Next. Next, I'm going to discuss cot inverse cot of x. Cot inverse cot of x. Okay. Okay. So tell me, what is the domain? What is the domain of cot inverse cot of x? Tell me. Raise your hand. Yes, Soham, tell me.
Sir, in pi, where n belongs to integers.
What n pi? What are you saying?
R minus n pi, where n
R
belongs to.
minus n pi, where n belongs to integers. Okay. Next. This is the domain, everyone. And what is the range? What is the range of cot inverse cot of x? Tell me. For this, you just substitute the domain. Tell me, what is the range of cot inverse cot of x? Okay, Rishabh, tell me.
Sir, closed 0 to pi. I mean, open 0 to pi.
Open 0 to pi.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now let us draw the graph. Acha. So again, if cot inverse cot of x is equal to y, this implies cot x equal to cot y, that is tan y equal to tan x. Okay. Tan inverse, when tan y equal to tan x, this implies y equal to n pi plus x. Okay. So how will the graph look like? Again, cot inverse cot of x is also periodic and the range is 0 to pi. So the maximum value will be at pi. Okay. Now let us draw the graph. Okay. So from 0 to pi, this is how the graph will look like. Okay, next. Okay, once you have drawn one of the branch, after that you keep on copying and pasting. Are you people able to understand how I am drawing the graph? Okay. Okay. So start telling me the equation of each and every branch. What is the equation of this branch? This one is easy. Y equal to x. What is the equation of the next branch, everyone? Tell me. Yes, Rishabh, tell me what is the equation of the next branch?
So y equals to x minus pi.
X minus pi. Then x minus 2 pi. Right, and so on and so forth. Okay. So everyone raise your hand. Tell me, what is cot inverse cot of 17 pi by 3? And what is cot inverse cot of 8 as well? Raise your hand. What is cot inverse cot of 17 pi by 3? Raise your hand. Yes, for this one, Rhythm, tell me. Cot inverse cot of 17 pi by 3.
So minus pi by 3.
Minus pi by 3. Wait. So how can cot inverse be negative?
Sorry, pi by 3. 2 pi by 3.
Tell me one final answer.
Said 2 pi by 3.
2 pi by 3. Cot inverse cot of 17 pi by 3. It will be 5 pi plus 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3. Okay. And someone tell me what is cot inverse cot of 8? Yes, Adrija, tell me what is cot inverse cot of 8?
Sir, 8 minus 2 pi.
8 minus 2 pi. Okay. I hope you people have understood how I am drawing the graph of each and every, cos inverse cos of x, sine inverse sine of x. Oh, sine inverse sine of x, cos inverse cos of x, I draw it. Okay. But I hope you people have understood tan inverse tan of x and cot inverse cot of x. Tell me. Anvesha, did you people understand? Anvesha, Devang,
Yes,
Sanaya,
sir.
Shubhangi, did you people understand?
Yes, sir.
Soham,
Yes, sir.
okay. Abhipsha, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, one last graph I'm going to discuss today.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so for cot inverse cot 17 pi by 3,
Hmm.
the branch was coming as 17 pi by 3 minus 6 pi.
17 pi by 3 minus 6 pi, how it is possible? It's 17 pi by 3, na? Oh, you are saying that 6 pi minus pi by 3.
Yeah.
But it cannot be 6 pi. Try to understand. If you are taking 6 pi minus pi by 3, it will lie in the previous branch, right? That is 5 pi branch.
Yes. After that will be 5 pi plus. Okay.
Yes, so that's why I've written 5 pi plus 2 pi by 3. And so the final answer will be 2 pi by 3.
Got it.
Okay,
Yes.
next. One last one I'm going to discuss, that is cos inverse. F of x equal to cos inverse cos of x. So everyone, just notice f of minus x. What is f of minus x? What do you think? Is it f of x? F of minus x, is it the same as f of x? Tell me. You're going to get cos inverse cos of minus x. Right, everyone? Tell me, everyone. Cos inverse cos of minus x. Okay, which is equal to cos inverse cos of x. So can I say that the function is even? This implies f of x is even. Means whatever graph you draw it on the right hand side, same graph you have to draw it on the left hand side of y-axis. Okay, so let us start. Let us start. Achha, what is the domain? Domain is all real. And what is the range? Tell me, everyone. What is the range of cos inverse cos of x? 0 to pi, right? Tell me, everyone. If you people are having any confusion, tell me. Tell me, Aisha, do you have any confusion?
No, sir.
Abhigyan, Adrija, Onini, Ahir, Anvesha, did you people understand? Sanaya,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shubhangi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to draw the graph. Acha, wait. Before drawing the graph, let us understand the branches. If y equal to cos inverse cos of x, this implies cos y equal to cos x. Okay, so y equal to x. Cos y equal to cos x. So what is the value of y? Tell me, everyone. What is the general solution if
Sir,
cos y equal
2
to
n
x?
pi plus minus x.
2n pi plus minus x. Okay. So if n equal to 0, we are going to get three branches. I mean, two branches. Y equal to plus minus x. So let us plot. Okay. Cos inverse cos of x. The maximum value will be equal to pi. Okay. So first of all, let us draw y equal to x and y equal to minus x. This is the graph of y equal to x. Wait a minute. Okay. So let us draw the graph. Y equal to x. Wait. Okay. This is y equal to x. And this is y equal to minus x. Okay. So it has been divided into two branches, y equal to x and y equal to minus x. Now same thing you just copy and paste. Okay. Tell me. Okay. Same thing. You just keep on pasting over and over again. This is the graph of cos inverse cos of x. Now you people will start telling me the equation of each and every branch. Okay. Start telling me the branches. This is y equal to x. This is y equal to minus x. What is the equation of the next branch? Raise your hand. What is the equation of this branch? Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
So y equals to 2 pi minus x.
2 pi minus x is absolutely correct. Okay. This point is pi. This point is 2 pi. This is 3 pi. And over here 4 pi. So it will be 2 pi minus x. Next. After that, what is the next branch? Tell me. What is the next branch? Tell me. Yes, Adrija, tell me.
Sir, 2 pi plus x.
Are you sure? Write down the equation. Point is given, slope is given. Write down the equation of the straight line. Okay, Ritam, tell me.
Sir, y is equal to x minus 2 pi.
X minus 2 pi is correct. Right, tell me everyone. The next, what is the next one? Next one, tell me anyone. After x minus 2 pi. Tell me. Yes. Only one person is raising the hand. What about others? Tell me. Okay. Anvesha, tell me.
4 pi minus x.
4 pi minus x is absolutely correct. Okay. Next. Before minus x, tell me. What is this branch? Raise your hand. What is the equation? Before minus x. Tell me. You have the point. You have the slope at least.
So which one exactly?
Before minus x. What is the equation? See, this is minus 2 pi. Okay. Rhythm, tell me.
Sir, y is equal to x plus 2 pi.
Y is equal to x plus 2 pi. Next. Can someone tell me what is the previous one? After x plus 2 pi. What is the previous one? Tell me the equation of this branch. Abhipsha, you also try. Okay. Ahi, tell me.
Minus x minus 2 pi.
Minus x minus 2 pi. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Has everyone understood the graph of cos inverse cos?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us do one or two problems. You have to raise your hand and tell me. Also, wait. Tell me. Somebody raise your hand and tell me what is the answer. Cos inverse cos of 11 pi by 3. Next. Tell me what is cos inverse cos of 11 pi by 3. Raise your hand. Yes, Shamili, tell me.
11 pi by 3. Sir, pi by 3.
You're asking me or telling me?
No, sir, I'm telling. Pi by 3.
Pi by 3. Yes, pi by 3 is correct. Okay, lastly, everyone. What is cos inverse cos 7? Raise your hand. Okay, for this one, Shavankit, tell me.
Yes, sir. It is, wait a minute, sir. 7 plus. So 7 plus 4 pi.
7 plus 4 pi? What are you saying? Think properly. Cos inverse cos 7.
So 7 minus 2 pi.
So 7 minus 4 pi. Sorry.
7 minus 2 pi. You're using the wrong branch. Think properly. It's 7 radian.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. 7 minus 2
Okay.
pi.
Okay, tell me. Till now, anyone having any doubt? Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, for that branch between pi and 2 pi, could you just explain why it becomes 2 pi minus x?
Okay. What is the slope of this straight line?
So minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yeah.
And what from what point it passes through? 2 pi comma 0.
Yes, sir.
So it will be y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 2 pi. Now simplify
And sir, by transformation, then
by transformation. Is it what transformation?
I meant without point slope form.
Without point slope form. Without point slope form. See, the equation of this branch is
Minus x.
minus x. If you shift 2 pi distance towards the right hand
Okay.
side, we have to add 2 pi.
Right, right. Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
Okay,
Yes, thanks.
tell me. So till now, anyone having any doubt? Abhigyan, Oipsha, Adrija, Ahir,
No,
tell
sir.
me. Devank, Ritam,
Sent to
Anvesha,
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
WhatsApp.
Shubhangi, Soham. Yes, yes. Devank, tell me.
Yes, sir. I was saying that I had sent you 4 doubts on WhatsApp.
4 doubts in WhatsApp. Wait, let me see. Okay, so for ITF, let us skip it till now, everyone. Okay, next class we'll again continue. Acha, so everyone tell me, 29th is elections, right? When is
Yes,
elections? 20,
29th and
So
30th.
29th.
on
28th,
some of
Yes, sir.
on some of the days you people have holidays, right? 29th and
Yes, sir.
one more day,
Next week
4th.
is entirely a holiday.
Next week is entirely a holiday.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I have online school.
Uh,
Sir, no, we have schools.
oh, you have schools. But 29th, Ritam, 29th.
Sir, actually, I won't be here. I will be somewhere else because my parents are going to.
Yes, sir. My
They
mother
will.
will also be busy, so can you specify the time before?
Okay, I'm thinking of taking a class on 29th because 29th is elections, right?
Sir, on 29th, I have to cast the vote.
You have to you are eligible to cast a vote.
Yes, sir.
Okay, God bless the country. You are also eligible.
Sir, you shouldn't say that.
Okay. Anyways, I'm thinking of taking a class on 29th. 29th, what day it is? Let's see.
Sir,
Sir,
it's a
it's
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. Wednesday, we already have a class, right? In the
Yes,
at
sir.
night.
Yes.
Mm, is it possible to do the class in the morning?
Yes, sir. Morning would
Sir,
be
you
fine.
won't be there. Uh,
You won't
Sir, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday
I
is
mean,
all free.
who won't be there? Ritam.
yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, my
Okay.
parents have to go to somewhere else to vote, so I will have to accompany
Oh,
them.
I understood. I understood.
And my mother's election duty, so I
Election duty.
have to go.
Can't help it. Okay. Then fourth is the result day, right? On fourth, I think we can do the class. Let's see. On ITF, let's see. Fourth is Monday. Is it possible in the morning? Fourth Monday.
Yes, sir. Morning is possible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. So next Friday night, we are going to continue with ITF. Next Friday night doubt class, we are going to continue with ITF. And then again on Monday morning. Is it clear to everyone?
When is the test for functions in ITF?
On 10th and 11th. Okay. Functions and ITF. Is it clear to everyone? 10th May and 11th May. 2 slots. Try to give it offline as far as possible, everyone. Okay. So next, if you people have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll discuss one or two problems. If you have any doubt, like Devank has sent some problems, right? Let me see, Devank.
Sir,
Sir,
can
I
we
have
use
also
if we
sent you a
don't
doubt.
have?
Yes, I'm checking it out.
Sir, can we use
Also,
if we don't have any doubts?
yes, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave, no problem. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Devang, wait for 1 or 2 minutes, okay? I'm coming.